Whether you're heading on vacation or to a business meeting, a few things are almost certain: you want to look good, you need to be organized, and you'll have your laptop with you. And the perfect way to keep your gadget safe while looking classy is with a briefcase. There are many products available to choose from. Best travel briefcase, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best travel briefcase from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Amazon Basics Laptop Bag. Amazon Basics has created one of the most popular computer bags for men and women. This compact case can hold laptops up to 15.6 inches. If you have a laptop that's bigger or smaller than 15.6 inches, they have several different size options to choose from. The bottom and sides are padded very well, but the case still maintains a slim look. There's a separate interior pocket to make sure your other electronics, cables, etc. stay organized, and there were even 3 sections that can be accessed from a separate exterior pocket. The padded shoulder strap makes it easy to carry whether you're heading to the airport to spend some time in Buenos Aires or going to a business meeting. Number 2. Eaton Laptop Briefcase. This super spacious bag is among the best briefcases for travel because it can function as a shoulder bag, briefcase, or duffel bag. However, one of its best features is the back strap, meaning you can attach your briefcase to your carry-on luggage while you're heading to and from the airport. The Eaton Laptop Briefcase has 6 compartments that allow you to easily separate your laptop, tablet, books, clothes, and other travel necessities. Its durable, eco-friendly nylon fabric makes the case mildly water-resistant, so you shouldn't have to worry about your electronics on the off chance the case gets a little wet. For a quality travel laptop bag with extra space for your travel necessities, the Eaton Laptop Briefcase is the one for you. Number 3. New Vintage Leather Canvas Briefcase. If you need the best travel briefcase for men, then don't miss out on the new Vintage Leather Canvas Briefcase. This retro satchel bag not only has a super cool look, but it's also made of a water-resistant wax canvas to make sure it stays by your side for years. Its 9 pockets mean that you'll have more than enough space for everything from your noise-canceling headphones to your water bottle. Both its handle and shoulder strap are padded, and the strap is both removable and adjustable to make carrying the bag as comfortable as possible. To make sure you're carrying around one of the best briefcases for men, go for the new Vintage Leather Canvas Briefcase. Number 4. Ikususi Ladies Pool Leather Laptop Bag. Ikususi has successfully created one of the most stylish laptop bags for women. It's highlighted by a bow that gives the bag a feminine flair, while still maintaining a professional look. In addition to the 14-inch laptop compartment, you'll have 4 other compartments to hold everything you need. Its handle and adjustable strap mean you can carry it like a purse, a messenger bag, and even like a crossbody handbag, so no matter what's on your schedule for the day, you can take this bag wherever you need to go. Weighing in at just over 2 pounds, this is a light laptop bag that won't weigh you down on your travels. Number 5. Banyus Women's Full Grains Leather Briefcase. This is the travel briefcase many ladies have been waiting for. Made from leather imported from Italy, it can hold a lot of things while maintaining a classic look. There are 3 main compartments that can fit up to a 15-inch laptop, a 1 to 2-inch binder, or even a small travel camera, while the interior padded sleeve can fit up to a 14-inch laptop. Banyus even made the thoughtful decision to add 5 studs on the bottom of the briefcase, so it can stand upright by itself. The vegetable tanned leather makes sure you'll stand out in a crowd while still looking professional. Your quest for the best laptop bag for women has come to an end. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.